Hi guys, Mad4Motors. So this is my next project. It's a 1992 Honda Civic 3-door. These are gone quite rare and hard to get, so I'm happy to get one, even in this condition. The engine in it is just a 1.3, but I have big plans to change that. Okay, so this is the colour I've chosen. It's called Captiva Blue. So out with the old and in with the new.